Some of the people that make the most money are the most retarded, and I'm here to explain exactly how you can retard max to get rich as fuck. It's pretty much exactly what I did, so I'll teach you how to do the same. But you have to watch the video, not just to understand what I'm saying, but also so you can actually apply the things that I'm teaching you and take action on it. Because retard maxing sounds funny, it sounds corny, it sounds weird, whatever, but it is a true thing because the richest people out there aren't actually the smartest ones. They're usually the most retarded ones. So you can kind of take something out of that, apply it to your own, and you'll see that the money starts piling up. So here's the thing, it's kind of what I did. Like I said, when I first started making serious money, like 10, 20, 30K months, I was just retard maxing. And what I mean by this is you just have to basically be retarded. And the way you do this is by just not really caring, understanding, or really worrying about anything that you do. You just do them because you're retarded, right? So what this actually means is, like, in practical terms, is that you can't be sitting there over analyzing things, overthinking stuff, or just worrying about things all the time before you do something. What you'll have to do is just do it, even if it looks stupid, even if it looks retarded, even if it looks like the dumbest thing ever. Just freaking do it and get the outcome out of it. Because even if it doesn't work, you'll realize very, very quickly that it was a stupid thing to do. So what ends up happening is that you just do the next best thing, and all of a sudden that actually ends up working. So now you're further ahead than the guy that was over analyzing everything and just didn't end up really doing anything. Because I'll tell you right now, when I was working a 9 to 5, I was wanted to do this, wanted to do that, like XYZ. However, I was always like, oh no, this needs to be perfect, that needs to be perfect, or I shouldn't start this yet because this, and then that came up. Even when we did even like now recently, when I switched from high ticket sales into an AI agency, we weren't really getting A2P verified, which is basically something you need to be able to send text messages to your clients. We couldn't get an A2P verification for like the longest amounts of time. And even I was like, yo, let's wait for this A2P thing. While if I was just retard maxing in that case, I would have just freaking done it right away. Just like, oh, fuck that. We don't need it. I'll just text it from my own phone. I'll just call them up, whatever, right? That's what it ended up like after we couldn't get A2P verified. I was like, no, fuck this. And then I was starting to call them with my own phone and everything. And it ended up working, surprisingly, right? So that's kind of the whole point of this. If you still don't understand what I mean that you should be doing is stop overanalyzing, stop overthinking about stuff, and just start doing. Because I'll tell you just from personal experience, like I said, when I first started this whole thing, I kept overanalyzing everything, and I had friends of mine who were dumb, who was straight up like retards, bro. And what ended up happening was they actually came further along, made more money and everything than me. And I was always wondering, like, dude, how can these guys actually make money? They're so dumb, they're so retarded, this, that, and the third. And it wasn't until I realized that they were just retard maxing essentially, and they tried maybe like 10 different things and they just realized it didn't work. So they tried the 11th thing and all of a sudden it actually worked out. And now they're rich as fuck, right? So I was like, there's something to that. I should probably just do the same thing. And then when I was still in sales, I was like, nah, like working my 9 to 5 sales job, I was like, nah, fuck this. Let me just do whatever. And then I just started retard maxing that third. Didn't work. That didn't work. And then I was like, dude, fuck this. I know sales. Let me just do high ticket sales. And all of a sudden, I jump into that and I fucking start making money, 10, 20K months. And that's when you realize it's like, okay, now there's something to this. Even if everything you tried first didn't work out, you still end up being further ahead than most people because they're just scarcity maxing. So they're too scared to actually even try anything. So what ends up happening is that, yeah, you might fail 10 times because you don't know what the fuck you're doing, but eventually you actually land on something that does work, and then you're still further ahead than the people that didn't even try, right? And the people that do try keep overanalyzing when they're trying. So what they usually do is they just, and this might even be you, they just stop altogether because they're too scared of what's going to happen. Like as soon as you have to spend money on ads, this was me when I did e-commerce. As soon as we start needing to actually spend a lot of money on ads, I was like too scared to spend money, so I just stopped. And I was like, dude, how can you be scared to spend money when you're actually making money off of your ads? You're in a positive ROI. Why are you scared to spend money, right? So that's like the crazy backstory of it. So how you can actually apply this to your life is, first of all, you need to stop really caring and worrying about everything. It's very easy to just like think about all of these things. Let's say you want to start posting content online, and then you're just like, oh no, what are these people going to think? What's going to happen over here? What if nobody engages with it? What if it gets no views? X, Y, Z, right? Retard maxing is like, okay, let's just start posting. So you just freaking pick up the phone right here, you just start talking and you post it. And whatever happens, happens. And if it doesn't work out, you'll quickly realize, no, this is not the way to make content. Let's try this in a different way. And then you go and try it in a different way, and you see what happens. And all of a sudden, doing it in a different way actually works. So now you're further ahead, and then you keep retard maxing, so on and so on, and all of a sudden you're rich as fuck. It's usually how it goes, and you can see that from people that are actually making a lot of money. Most of them aren't really the smartest people out there, to put it that way, especially when you look at all these like dumb streamer kids and all these guys. Like, these guys are, not to be mean or anything, but there's a lot of stupid people out there making a lot of money. So if you have stupid people out there making $10,000 a month, then why aren't you? Right? You probably feel like the dumb one, because there's so many people out here who are just weird, cringe, and stupid, but they're still making a lot of money. So why aren't you? You're probably just sitting there like, dude, if this guy can do it, like, why can't you? Right? There's no point to why you wouldn't be able to if they can do it. And it usually comes down to that. It's just very simple. It's like, bro, if another person that is way dumber than you can do it, then why can't you? Oh, no, I don't want to look stupid like that. Oh, well, if you don't want to look stupid, you're not going to be making money. There's a sacrifice, right? No, 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 I want to make money while not looking stupid. Well, good luck with that, because if you want to make money, you're probably going to fail a couple times. It's just the name of the game. You're not going to get everything on your first try. Like if you play basketball, right, for the first time ever, and you try to throw up a shot and you miss it, right, the first time ever, are you not going to try again? It's just like, would you expect now to hit every single shot? Of course not, right? Because you're going to miss. Same thing when you're trying to make money. You're going to miss, you're going to make mistakes, you're going to fail a couple times. But that's the name of the game. Like these things have to be expected. Don't get discouraged right away just because you fail at something. Try to be a retard and just actually fail as many times as you can, because the more times you fail, the closer you actually are to hitting it. It's the same thing like shooting the basketball. The more times you miss, you're probably one step closer to actually making it. So you have to apply the same type of logic and the same type of thinking into this. I know it sounds stupid. I know it is probably stupid, but it is the way it actually works. Ask anybody that has a bunch of money and ask them if everything worked perfectly off from the get-go. Of course not. They've had challenges, they've had mistakes they've done, they've had things that have happened. It happens to everybody. So I don't know where this mindset comes from, where everybody's just like thinking that things are going to be perfect from the get-go. No, they're not. Especially not when you're trying to make money, because everybody's out here trying to make money online. So you have to be able to actually adapt when things don't go your way. And they're not going to. And once you actually just jump in with that mentality and being like, okay, we're going to try this. It might not work out, but I've committed to at least trying, and then just seeing what happens. Once you go in with that type of mentality, you're going to be way less scared, and you're actually going to realize that things aren't as bad as you really think. And when things come up, you're most likely just going to look at it as a challenge and be like, okay, how can we actually overcome this, instead of just being like, oh, fuck this, I'm just going to quit. You're not going to quit, because you've already understood and gone in with the mentality that this is something that is not going to be easy from the get-go, and that there are things that are going to come up, excuse me, which you'll have to face, right? So it's just the mentality is just completely different, and you'll see yourself actually being more prone to taking on these challenges and trying to do your best, instead of just staying stuck, giving up, and not really trying like you might have done if you didn't retard max. So I hope that helps. Make sure to apply this. Like I said, if instead of having that old way of thinking, look at it this different type of way. Apply this to whatever you're doing. If it is a business, if it is making money online, if it is content, whatever it might be, just apply this way of thinking into whatever you're doing, and you're going to see a massive shift in tangible results, right? So when I say tangible results, I mean, you'll see a real shift in how much money you're making. You'll see a real shift in how many followers you have. You'll see a real shift in how many views you get. Genuinely, because you don't even care and you're just moving on to the next best thing, or you're moving on to the this challenge and then that challenge, and then you overcome it, and then you go into the next, and so on and so on, right? So make sure to apply this, and then come back to this video and let me know how it goes, because we'll probably be in a way better position at that point. Again, hope that helps. I'll catch you guys next time. Take care.